Oh man, let's be real. Somewhere along the way, a rumor got started and it stuck. It's this idea that life insurance is just for your burial. Y'all, that's literally like saying your phone is just for making calls. Now, technically you're true, but you're ignoring 99% of the power.
Right? It's like someone saw a commercial in 1987 for a $10,000 policy with a picture of a casket and just decided, you know what? That's probably the whole story.
You've seen those commercials, right? Protect your family from the cost of a funeral for just pennies a day. Bro, if I had a penny a day every time I heard that, I'll pay for my own funeral.
Ha! Not with this inflation. But here's the thing. Burial insurance is a type of life insurance. It's just the smallest, simplest, and frankly, the least strategic form of it.
Real life insurance is about more than just death coverage. It's about life leverage. It's a tool. It's a system. It's a financial asset. And the wealthy have been using it like that for over 100 years.
So here's some ways you've probably heard of life insurance before. You see, Nelson Nash called a form of it the infinite banking concept. Rich families just call it their succession plan, and banks call it tier 1 capital. But your high school dropout cousin thinks it's just used to pay for your tombstone.
Wait. So Chase Bank took out life insurance policies and they're not worried about burial costs? Wild.
He's probably right though, right? No headstone budget, Jonah. Just cash flow.
So let's clear this up. If you die, yes, your life insurance pays out. But while you're alive, a well-designed policy can build tax-advantaged wealth. It can give you access to capital. It can let you become your own source of financing, and it can protect your legacy from taxes, from probate, from debt collectors.
So let's say you're 35 years old. You got a job, maybe a kid, you got a mortgage. If all you have is $10K burial policy, that's not protection. You're literally leaving your family just a tip after they were forced to pay for your funeral. But a $500,000 or $1 million policy, now that has the potential to become income replacement for your family, or at least help them with the estate planning. Now we're talking real peace of mind.
And don't get it twisted. We're not saying burial insurance is bad. It's just basic. It's the flip phone version of this financial tool. It still makes calls, but have you ever tried editing a video on a flip phone? It'll be real hard to get your captions right if you got to enter them using T9.
It's like having a checking account that only lets you deposit money. No withdrawals, no Zelle, no Cash App. Just store it in there and stare at it.
Here's the truth. Most people are wildly underinsured. And it's not because they can't afford better coverage. It's because nobody told them what real life insurance can do.
And that's partially the industry's fault. So many agents are trained to just sell small policies fast, pushing these $10 plans just to turn and burn, but there's zero conversation about real financial strategy.
Meanwhile, families get hit with this sudden death, and all of a sudden they're left scrambling because they've got no emergency fund, they've got no income replacement, they've got no plan. All they've got is a GoFundMe and a prayer.
And that's not just tragic, it's literally preventable. You can have a policy that not only covers your death, but funds your life.
And you can access it while you're alive. Need capital for a down payment? Business idea? The kids going to college? Take a policy loan. Now again, try asking your burial insurance policy for a loan.
And you don't have to die to win, Jonah. That's what makes this so powerful.
Okay, but let's hit this from one more angle. Because when people say life insurance is only for burial, what they're really saying is, I don't know what I don't know. And that's okay, but it's time to fix it.
Exactly, man. We don't shame people, we educate them. So if no one's ever shown you how the wealthy actually use life insurance, now's your time to learn.
Start thinking beyond the grave. Life insurance is about building a legacy while you're living. Burial insurance, that's just the receipt.
Here's your next step. Book a free call with us. Let us walk you through how to use life insurance the right way to not only protect yourself and your family, but to grow your wealth instead of just burying it.
This ain't about just headstones. It's actually about head starts. So click the link in the description of this video and let's talk.